Presenting a more sophisticated but equally easy to use model, the IPEVO V4k PRO. It's also a simple plug and play, and with its weighted, multi-jointed stand, it's stable and easily adjustable for all kinds of heights and angles. It functions in a similar way to the DoCam, but has a variety of additional features which will enhance your sessions. Let's take a closer look at some of these features. This is what the IPEVO V4k PRO control panel looks like. I'll start off by saying that you don't need to use any of these buttons to effectively use your document camera in tutoring sessions. Just plugging in your IPEVO and using it as is will be a game changer for your sessions. Nevertheless, each of these controls has a very useful function and will further refine how you deliver your online lessons. So let's take a closer look. This white light here indicates that the document camera is plugged in and ready to perform. The button that you will use most frequently is the focus button. Once you are set up and have your camera positioned where you want it, press this button once to focus on the material you are working on. Your IPEVO camera is programmed for continuous focus, so as you move your materials or turn a page, it will keep making micro adjustments, focusing in and out, and in and out, in small increments, trying to give you a sharp image. Depending what you're working on, this could be very helpful, or it could be distracting. If you do find it distracting, you can lock in at one focal point by simply pressing down on the focus button and holding for a few seconds until you see the light flicker. There you go. The light has flickered and your focus is now locked in. If you have changed activities and want to refocus, or anytime you want to refocus, just remember, push once to capture the initial focus, and push and hold until the light flickers to fix it in place. Another handy feature is the LED light. It will provide a little extra illumination in low light conditions. Simply press to turn on and off. On, off, on, off. There is an exposure toggle here, which will help you to fine-tune the contrast. You can toggle back and forth between the plus and minus signs to increase or decrease the contrast until you find one that you like. Just like this. Darker, lighter. And finally, we have the noise reduction switch. You won't need this on all the time, but it does come in handy while experiencing distracting noises from outside or even inside. Right now, we are hearing construction noise. To filter out this noise, simply push this switch towards the AI letters, as I am doing now.
Notice the difference? I assure you the noise is still there. I can still hear it. And when you are tutoring, you will still hear it, but your learner will not. Your learner will hear you speak in a slightly distorted voice, but it's preferable to distracting noise that will impact the lesson. In the right circumstances, this feature is very useful.
And those are the features available to you when using this model. Again, all are optional, but will enhance your experience with the IPEVO. So please try them out, because this model is available for tutors to sign out from the LU library. Pause this video if you'd like to read a summary of the features of the V4k PRO, and be sure to download the quick start guide and Zoom setup instructions to get started. Have fun!